First responders sometimes see or hear or do things that most members of the general public can't imagine. And too often, that traumatic exposure can lead to lingering effects, like PTSD, and the impact can go untreated with occasionally devastating consequences. This week, we're talking about the Officer Craig Tiger Act, an Arizona law that's saving lives by supporting first responders' mental health. I'm Steve Serbalik, and I'm a panel attorney with ASCOPS in Arizona. Here's the background. In 2012, Phoenix police officer Craig Tiger was forced to use deadly force in a park, stopping a suspect who threatened citizens and officers with a baseball bat. After Officer Tiger took action, PTSD took hold. Nightmares, flashbacks, and depression followed. A year later, after a DUI arrest and his termination from the Phoenix Police Department, Craig took his own life in 2014. His widow, Rebecca Tiger, and groups supporting law enforcement officers fought to ensure his death wasn't in vain. Their efforts led to the Officer Craig Tiger Act, signed into law by Governor Doug Ducey in 2018. So, what does this law do for first responders? It covers peace officers, firefighters, and since 2023, 911 dispatchers who experience traumatic events on the job, like witnessing a death or maiming or its immediate aftermath, investigating crimes against children, facing deadly force, or responding to incidents like a child's drowning. Here are some of the key benefits and protections. Counseling access. Up to 36 counseling sessions per incident with a licensed mental health professional of your choice, paid for by your employer at rates set by the Industrial Commission of Arizona. No forced leave. You can't be required to use PTO, sick leave, or personal leave to attend these sessions. Job protection. If a mental health professional says you're unfit for duty during treatment, you won't lose pay or benefits for up to 30 days per incident. Proactive care. The goal is to catch and treat mental health issues early, before they spiral into PTSD or worse. This law can provide a lifeline. It recognizes that first responders aren't robots. You're human, and trauma can take a toll. According to a study by Kaiser Permanente, 85% of first responders report mental health symptoms, and other mental health providers report that nearly 1 in 4 police officers have considered suicide. The Officer Craig Tiger Act ensures you can get help without fear of losing your job or income. Here's my advice. If you've been through a traumatic event on the job, don't wait. Report it to your supervisor. And if you're open to getting help, reach out to ASCOPS or your agency's HR for guidance. They're here to support you. This law exists because of officers like Craig Tiger, and it's here to protect you. And for those agency heads watching, know that one of the key drivers for preventing PTSD is creating a culture and engaging in actions that cause officers to believe that they are supported by their administration and chain of command. So if you have an officer or other first responder that was involved in a critical incident, take the time to reach out and offer support. So the big takeaway: mental health matters, and Arizona's got your back. Don't suffer in silence. Use the resources available to you. If you have any questions or comments on this topic, please leave them in the comment section down below. Don't forget to like, follow, and turn on notifications. It really helps the channel grow. Be on the lookout for new videos. They come out every Sunday at 5:30 p.m. Arizona time. I'm Steve Serbalik. Thanks for watching. Stay safe out there.